Hello everybody, welcome back to Mama Knows Best. So today I have some Bose Soundsport wireless earbuds, and I decided to pick these up because I have some BX, and those decided to die out on me. So I decided to go ahead and pick these up. I went in hoping that they would have hoping they'd have black, but they did not. So I ended up getting these. These are white, and seems like they have maybe like a neon, maybe a neon green or maybe a yellow. Not really sure yet. Here's the packaging. So these are just some wireless Bose Bluetooth in-ear earphones, and they're supposed to be compatible, with my Apple products and Android. So that's pretty good. So let me look here, see how to open this up. So I was excited about getting these because, Bose has a reputation for good sound. So hopefully these have some pretty good sound quality. Now I do have over-the-ear headphones, but I'm gonna go off camera here for a second, pull this out. But I wanted to get some. I like in-ear headphones when I'm laying down and listening to things. Okay, here we go. And I do have earbuds. I'm sorry, earpods. But the battery don't last as long as I like them to, and they tend to fall out when I'm laying down if I turn to one side or the other. So here's the package. Oh, this has a pretty nice unboxing experience if I don't dump everything out. So here we go. We have this over here on this side. Have the actual earbuds in the middle, and this picture here. So I'll pull these out, and we'll see what's underneath the box. Sorry, I had to keep going off camera. The angle that everything is at today is a little awkward. Okay, so here's the actual earbuds, and here's what comes with it. So as you can see, we have a Bose branded carrying pouch in the gray, and it has a little carabiner on there, so that's nice. Let's see what type of material is on the inside. Okay, so that's nice. Somewhere to keep the cables and other little ear pieces in there. Have, looks like a micro USB cable for charging, and some ear tips, small and large. And it looks like it has the ear tips along with the wings. Nothing. And the manual. So now what you came here for, the actual headphones. See if I can get this out of here. This is really lightweight feeling, even with the with this cardboard. And there they are. So it has clear tips on there. The color is actually, I thought it was white, but this color is actually gray. So it's actually gray and looks kind of white and yellow on camera. Well, from what I can see, but it's actually a light gray with like a highlighter yellow. So, and that's it. I know you can see the blue there, but that blue is just a tab on the plastic that's covering the Bose sign. that's on each side. And let me see here. Has a volume rocker and a button in the middle there so you can answer and end calls. And there's a, looks like a speaker. And oh, and here's a clip. So I'm guessing you clip this to the back of your shirt to keep them from moving around. So there it is, guys. There's the whole package. Thank you guys very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe if this helped you out at all.